we're going to work on a flowing drill, okay? And we're going to do this in a way that I'm going to put all of you guys kind of in a multiple attacker situation, okay? So I'm going to do a little demonstration of this particular flow, what we're going to be doing, and you guys are going to take what I'm doing here and you're going to use it in a way that you need to use it in the drill that we're going to do versus multiple attackers. The idea here is to flow, right? Running water don't go stale, right? Something like that. So you just want to keep flowing, just being active and keep moving the body. Now we're going to really focus on the Kasui Waza or variations of the Kasui Waza. So as a reminder, there we go, right back on record. So gate on Kasui Waza, go for it, some Yaku, boom, boom, boom. All right, one more time. Age, and again. Naka, and again. And Soto. Soto. There we go. Then we have single, right? So there's the basic form of the Kasui. And the basic form of Kasui, so slow it down with him. He comes in, I'm basically just trying to flow. What I don't want to do is I don't want to go ahead, bang that down, and then come in here. What we're trying to do, go ahead, is flow through and just kind of move through. Let them continue their motion. We're just deflecting as we're coming through, right? If we do it single-handedly, he throws the Kazami, go ahead, I'm going to push, and then he goes Gyaku push, and then come in. So if we're here, like maybe we have a weapon, edged weapon, where we're in the back, so we're just going to go, and go ahead, and again, right? So we can use that particular motion as well. So what you guys are going to be doing, we're going to pin you through. I want you guys to come in different angles, and as you're moving, you're striking this person, you're flowing this person, you're moving through this one, you're moving through here, and you're constantly moving your footwork to be able to angle off to do the technique. Now there's general principles that you guys need to focus on that's in the kata that most people don't realize. They don't extract particular things from the kata. Most people see kata as kata. An example, throw the Kazami Gyaku one more time, and I'm going to do Naka. He throws Kazami. Notice I'm coming in to the outside. When he throws a straight, I generally move to the outside against a straight. Generally. And the reason for that, it puts me in a better position to manipulate what I'm doing, whether it's striking or pushing here, whatever I'm doing, and I'm staying away from his hand, and I've got a whole lot of options. So generally, when you see a lot of techniques, I'll throw the jab one more time, you see we'll move to the outside. If he throws, that's a linear attack. When he throws a circular attack, throw the hook shot to my head, normally we would go into the inside. Like earlier we talked about Hoko no Kamai and how to defend against the sucker punch and all that. Generally you move to the inside because now it gives me a different set of options away, and now I have two weapons. I can hit him here or I can hit him here, and he only's got the one. I can do this. I've taken away one option by moving to the inside against that circular attack. So when you guys are doing this flow, I want the attackers to change up between linear strikes, circular strikes, and manipulate the situation to see if you can still flow in every type of attack possible. So again, look at that concept again. Throw the Kazami. I'm moving to the outside and I can strike this way. If he comes in with the hook shot, go ahead. I can move this way and then defend that and come in here or do whatever we're doing, right? Now, even though you see the basic forms of Kasui Waza, go Kazami Gyaku again, which we see this, right? You guys know through Goshin Waza, just throw the Kazami, you can do in-out strikes here, or the same one, this way here. So notice, I can go to the outside, or if he throws the hook shot, I can go to the inside, right? So we know that the principles can still be applied regardless. So those principles of flowing to the outside, flowing to the inside, manipulating the attack, flow, even if it's a single, if you're going to single hand, use the single hand strike one more time. Single boom, 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 right? Even if we're going to be doing things like that, because you're covering tight, and you might have some sort of a sidearm or a weapon you want to get to, so you're grabbing, a particular weapon, right? Which is the general idea, right? Like if we're over here, so let's say I'm going to get to something that I'm carrying, conceal carry, whatever, but I got to get to it. He throws Kazami, now I've got it. Go ahead, throw the Gyaku, and now I can do what I've got to do, whether it's a cut or whether it's get something to create distance. So it's a way for me to grab my thumb in my belt here. Go ahead, and I'm going to 1, 2, and then I can pull. Right? So it's another way of doing. Do that one more time. I'll do both hands. Go ahead. So 1, 2, and then strike. It's a way, instead of doing a two-hand with, you know, Kempo technique, if I'm grabbing some sort of thing, he throws in the like 1, 2, I can pull, and now I can come in this direction. So it allows me to still flow with the same concepts while pulling some sort of a weapon that we carry. You guys know I'm big on carrying a weapon, right? Okay. I'm really big on that. So anyway, we want to work, this is the thing that we're going to be working on now. Okay, we're going to work on that flow. I'm going to send you guys against each other, not like a single stand still. You're going to be moving. It's going to be dynamic, multiple attacker scenario, time-based. You're going to stay in the hole for some time. Then we'll see what your skill set does. Okay? All right, let's do it.